Hey guys, just want to give you an update on how much ammunition that I have. Uh, Going with YouTube, and then I'll post this link onto Instagram and Facebook. But 338 Lapua mag, and then the 308 ammunition may be gone today unless you swing by real quick, because I got a guy that's going to take it all. 25-06 just come in, 30-06 24 pack, 22 250, 270, two different kinds there. I got one box of 6.5 Creedmoor left. I got a couple boxes of 30-30, but the guy that's wanting the 308, he'll probably take them as well unless you want to swing by real quick. 350 Legend, I bought that for a fella and he never did come back, so got some of that if you want to hunt with that. 17 Winchester Super Mag, 22 long rifle, 17 HMR, bought that come in. The list goes on. Holler if you need anything.